Hello student, let us see the question number 2, your practice set 1.2. In question number 2 it is given that in triangle PQR this PM is given as 15, PQ is given as 25 and PR is given as 20 and NR is given as 8. State whether the line NM is parallel to RQ with giving some reason. Give some reasons. Now we have seen that BPT theorem. What BPT theorem we have seen? That is Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq. This BPT theorem we have seen. So by using that converse conditions, if this Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq. If Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq, then we can say Nm is parallel to side RQ. Okay, so let us find one by one. Let us see what is the length of PR. How will you find length of PR? Length PR is equal to Pn plus Nr. Pn plus Nr. Now see what is PR is given. PR is given as 20. Now see Nr is given as 8. So we have to find Pn. So how will you find Pn? This 20 minus 8, you will get Pn. So Pn is how much? Pn is 12. So let us write down Pn is equal to 12. So this Pn is equal to 12. Okay. Now again we can see the length of PQ. PQ is equal to how much? PQ is equal to this Pm plus MQ. Let us find out what is given. PQ is given as 25, which is equal to PM is given as 15. MQ we have to find out. MQ, so 25 minus 15 is our MQ. So 25 minus 15 is 10. So MQ is equal to 10. Now let us see these sides are in proportion or not. So what is our Pn? So Pn upon Nr. Pn upon Nr is equal to how much? Pn is equal to 12. And what is our Nr? Nr is given as 8. So 12 upon 8. That means we can cancel by 4. That is 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. Which is equal to 3 upon 2. Similarly, let us find out Pm upon Mq. Pm is how much? Let us write down Pm upon Mq first. Mq, what is our Pm? Pm is our 15. And what is our Mq? Mq we got 10. Now divide these by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. How much we got? We got 3 upon 2. So what we have seen over here? Now since, see over here, since Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq, that is equal to 3 by 2. Since they are in same proportion, we can say, therefore, we can say that is Nm is parallel to side RQ. Okay, by using converse of BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. So we will see the third question in our another video. Okay.